Welcome. Let's talk about one of the biggest questions in business right now. What is the true cost of replacing people with AI? Today, we're going to dig into a really insightful report to uncover the hidden financial math that can literally make or break a company. Okay, before we dive in, just a little bit of important context. This is part 5 of a 10-part series, and it's a brief overview based on a huge research report from Virtualization Options LLC. Now, as you can probably guess, we're just scratching the surface here. And of course, this isn't legal advice, it doesn't come with any warranty, and you should always talk to qualified legal pros who know the rules where you do business. All right, let's get into it. Organizations consistently underestimate the total cost while overestimating benefits. Wow, this quote really just cuts right to the chase, doesn't it? It's telling us there's a huge miscalculation happening in boardrooms all over the world, and that is exactly what we're going to unpack today. So why does this keep happening? Well, it usually starts with something the report calls the ROI illusion. And honestly, it's a simple, super attractive pitch that executives and boards find almost impossible to say no to. The appeal is all about its seductive simplicity. I mean, look at this. The pitch is so straightforward, you cut your labor costs, you add some technology costs, and bam, you get these massive savings. It looks absolutely perfect on a spreadsheet and, it sounds even better in a presentation. But here is the all-important question, right? What if this simple math isn't just a little bit off? What if it's a dangerously misleading fantasy that's actually putting companies on a fast track to financial disaster? And that question brings us to the real core of this whole analysis, uncovering all those hidden costs. We've got to look past that simple formula and see what's really happening just beneath the surface. So the report gives us a framework for this, and it's called the true cost calculus. You can think of it as the complete, no-fluff, unvarnished financial picture. It's a way to account for all those expenses that, let's be honest, are often conveniently left out of those initial rosy projections.
So, what are these hidden costs we're talking about? Well, the report lays out 8 distinct categories that are almost always overlooked. They range from the obvious stuff like direct implementation to the less obvious but incredibly important things like knowledge loss. I mean, think about it. That's when all the expertise of your people just walks out the door. And the huge recovery investments you need when things, inevitably go wrong.
And just look at this number to get a sense of the scale here. When these projects fail, the cost to clean up the mess, what the report calls recovery investments, is typically 2 to 4 times the entire original budget. Let that sink in. The cleanup can cost multiples of what you thought you were spending in the first place. Now, to make all this feel terrifyingly real, let's look at a case study. It's from the telecommunications industry, and it just brilliantly illustrates how this whole mess plays out. So the story kicks off in a place we all recognize, a boardroom. A major telecom company is being shown this really compelling AI plan for their network operations, and based on those projections, the board gives it a unanimous yes. And what was the magic number that got them to approve it? A projected $94 million in savings every single year. I mean, with a number like that on the table, the decision probably felt like a total no-brainer. But the trouble started almost right away. The very first red flag was the implementation cost. The original budget was $67 million, but the actual cost just ballooned to $143 million. That's more than double the estimate right out of the gate. And as this new AI system started to struggle, service quality just plummeted. Network outages were happening more often, and they were lasting longer. The result? The company lost 3.5 million customers. The very people this system was supposed to help were running for the exits. And here is the final devastating number. When you add up all the cost overruns, the lost revenue, the fines, the money they spent trying to fix it, this one single initiative destroyed an estimated $6.2 billion in shareholder value. Just gone.
So, let's actually put the promise and the reality side by side. It really helps to see the full catastrophic picture of this failure.
This slide just lays it all out, doesn't it? On the left, you've got the promise, $94 million in savings a year, an attractive ROI. And on the right, you have the grim reality, massive implementation costs, a staggering $2.8 billion in lost revenue every year, $47 million in fines, and over $400 million just to try and fix it all, which all leads to that $6.2 billion in value destroyed. And this brings us right back to the report's incredibly powerful conclusion. When you actually do the math the right way, when you use that true cost calculus, most of these projects don't create value, they destroy it. And so that leaves us with one last really crucial question for you to think about. After seeing how a simple ROI illusion can hide a multi-billion-dollar disaster, you really have to ask yourself, what's hiding in your AI business case?